Hey, I recently bought this IKEA Malm Dresser and I wanted to change it up just a little bit, add a little bit of detail on the front as well as a shelf on top. So here's what I did. First, I removed all the drawers. Then I took some trim that I used from a previous project and cut it down to size for the front of the drawers. Once I finished cutting off the trim, I taped it down in position that I wanted it to be. After that, I used wood glue to attach it to the top. I let the glue dry for a few hours and then I added the wood filler to the corners since I had some gaps. Once the wood filler dried, I sanded it down and I started to use the sanding block, but I changed it out because my sandpaper was a little bit better because it was thin and I was able to get in the grooves. So off camera, I used a tack cloth to get rid of all of the wood debris from sanding. And then I caulked the inside edge of the trim. The hole on the tip of my caulk gun was too big for this project and I really made a mess, but I was able to clean it up and get the job done. I was testing out this tool that I saw in the store. You know how you go and look and you see a new tool? Yeah, I did it. I bought it. It wasn't expensive. I really don't want to share it because I'm kind of indecisive whether I really like it or not. I like the end result, but I need to test it out a little bit more before I can make the decision whether it's a really good tool to use. Next, I primed the dresser and then painted it with a gray color. Since I'm adding a top shelf, I am going to paint on the inside. And remove the top drawer slides. After that, I nailed a scrap piece of wood, which is a 1x2, to the back of the dresser so that my shelf could rest on top. I put a couple of screws in it for support, and then I glued the shelf down on top. Let me tell you, adding a little bit of detail on the front really changes up the piece. Now my guests can have a place to store their items. Is this a project you would try? I would love to hear from you.